A new magma chamber has been discovered beneath the caldera of the Yellowstone supervolcano, which in the past has changed the Earth's climate and affected life on our planet. The Yellowstone Plateau volcano is for all intents and purposes a supervolcano. If it were to explode, it could drastically change the climate of the entire planet due to the large amount of dust and ash released into the atmosphere. Volcanologists have come to this conclusion for some time now, as it is known that the volcano's magma chamber is so rich in gas and magma that the volcano is of the explosive type. Field research has made it possible to identify a large amount of material from past eruptions that is scattered everywhere, up to thousands of kilometers away. Now, a study by researchers at the University of Utah has shed light on another part of the physiology of this monster. At a depth of between 19 and 45 kilometers from the surface, there is a previously unknown magma chamber, with a magma volume 4.4 times larger than the already known magma chamber above it. According to the researchers' projections, the combined volume of liquid material in both pockets could fill the U.S. Grand Canyon almost 14 times. Speaking of a magma chamber does not mean that it contains all the boiling magma, but rather that it is included in the cracks in the rocks with a percentage that, for the Yellowstone magma chamber, is around 9%. However, the researchers emphasize that the discovery of this new magma reservoir does not necessarily increase the likelihood of a new explosive eruption imminent, but only that we now have a clearer picture of what lies beneath the supervolcano. Yellowstone is located above a hot spot on Earth, that is, a place where large amounts of magma rise from the Earth's mantle. According to some volcanologists, the origin of the flow is at a depth of about 750 kilometers, according to others at a depth of 2,850 kilometers, therefore from the border between the mantle and the core. At the current stage of our technology, both hypotheses have not yet been verified, but both describe the same mechanism. Magma does not reach the surface directly, but infiltrates the rock, forming pockets connected to each other by a network of channels. When enough gas and magma arrive at the shallowest magma chamber to overcome the force of the plug that closes the caldera, an eruption occurs. In Yellowstone in particular, there are 3 known events, all catastrophic, that occurred 640,000 years ago, 1.2 million years ago, and 2 million years ago. All 3 covered much of North America with ash,